Do you want to keep viewers on the edge of their seats, craving every second of your faceless YouTube content? Stick around, because in today's video, I'm going to reveal the secret formula behind captivating content that not only hooks your audience from the first second, but also keeps them coming back for more. Get ready to jot down some notes, because we're diving into the must-know strategies that will set your faceless channel apart from the rest. Let's get started. Picture this. You've poured hours into creating your content. Your editing is on point, your sound quality top-notch, yet your view count is stagnating. What might be missing? The answer is simple but powerful. Storytelling. Yes, even if your channel is faceless, storytelling can be your golden ticket to viewer retention. Humans are wired to love stories. Think about the last time you got hooked on a movie or a book. It wasn't just the special effects or the vivid descriptions. It was the story that drew you in. The same principle applies to YouTube. Craft a compelling narrative, and your viewers will be hooked. It doesn't matter if you're creating tutorials, gaming videos, or travel guides, every piece of content can benefit from a strong storyline. Start with a hook, keep the middle engaging, and always end with a cliffhanger or a strong conclusion. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth do I create a story without showing my face? Here's the magic trick: visual storytelling. Use dynamic visuals, screen recordings, animations, and compelling B-roll footage to weave your tale. For example, if you run a cooking channel, don't just list the steps. Tell a story about why this recipe is special. Maybe it's a family tradition or a fusion of flavors you discovered on your travels. Show the ingredients, the sizzling pans, the final beautiful dish, all while narrating the emotional backstory. This will transform a simple recipe video into a captivating experience. Let's talk pacing. Have you ever clicked on a video, got bored in the first minute, and clicked away? That's poor pacing right there. Your content needs to move at a rhythm that keeps your viewers engaged. Mix up your clips, use different camera angles, and integrate various elements like images and infographics to maintain a dynamic pace. Pay attention to your video analytics. YouTube provides detailed insights on viewer engagement. Look for the points where viewers drop off and tweak your pacing accordingly. Always aim to cut out the fluff. Now, it's time to discuss the personal touch. Even if you're faceless, your personality should shine through. Use a conversational tone as if you're speaking directly to a friend. Spark connections through your voice, your choice of words, and your enthusiasm. Audience engagement goes beyond just presenting information. It's about fostering relationships. Reply to comments, ask for viewer opinions, and create polls. Make your audience feel involved in the process. Personal anecdotes, quirky humor, or even sharing a behind-the-scenes can humanize your faceless brand and make your audience feel connected to you. Another golden strategy involves using cliffhangers to maintain suspense and ensure viewers watch until the end. For example, suppose you're demonstrating a process that includes several steps. Deliberately hold back the most exciting reveal until the end and sprinkle in teasers throughout your video. This keeps viewers glued to the screen, craving to see the final result. Let's not forget about the importance of high-quality sound. Invest in a good microphone. Clear, crisp audio significantly enhances the viewing experience and adds a professional touch to your content. Bad audio can be a deal breaker, often more so than poor video quality. Your voice should be pleasant to listen to, and background music should be balanced, supportive without being intrusive. Speaking of background music, choose themed tracks to invoke the right emotions at the right times. Happy and upbeat tunes for exciting revelations, calm and serene melodies during explanations, and perhaps something dramatic for your cliffhangers. This kind of attention to auditory detail makes your content immersive and engaging. Thumbnails and titles play a crucial role in your content strategy. A thumbnail is the first impression of your video. It's the shiny cover that entices viewers to click. Create thumbnails with bold, readable text, contrasting colors, and intriguing images that hint at the content within. For titles, Aim for a mix of keywords and curiosity. Use power words that evoke emotion or promise valuable insights like secrets, ultimate guide, or unbelievable. Shift focus now to what I call the breadcrumb technique. Drop hints or teasers about what's coming next. This creates anticipation and encourages viewers to subscribe and hit the notification bell. For instance, if today's video is about creating captivating content, hint that the next video will reveal advanced editing tricks that professional YouTubers use to make their videos pop. Now, let's address an often overlooked element, the call to action. Strategically place multiple calls to action throughout your video, not just at the end. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also creatively integrate CTAs, like incorporating a poll in the middle of a video to choose the next topic or asking viewers to share their thoughts in the comments. Let's also talk about consistency. If you want to build a loyal audience, posting consistently is non-negotiable. Create a content calendar and stick to it. Consistency builds trust and keeps your channel fresh in your audience's minds. And don't be afraid to experiment. Regularly review your analytics, and if something isn't working, pivot your strategy. Success on YouTube often requires a mix of perseverance and flexibility. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all formula, but the tips we discussed will give you a robust framework to build on. Before we wrap this up, here's a tantalizing preview of the next episode. We're diving into advanced editing techniques that will bring your faceless content to a whole new level. You won't want to miss the editing secrets that could be the game changer for your channel. So make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments below about what topic you'd like to see us cover next. Catch you in the next episode. Until then, happy content creating.